just woke up. Day 2 in Cancun, Mexico. So, right now, kids are sleeping. My wife is sleeping. Just got up, decided to drink some coffee on the balcony in Mexico, overlooking the greenery. Yeah, it's pretty cold in Toronto now, so to be able to come out on the balcony and just look at the nice, lush greenery of Mexico, it's pretty awesome, to hear the birds chirping. Yeah, so day 2, going on the road, trying to see what we can get into today on the road, check out some malls, check out some sites. We're thinking of going to see some of the pyramids. So, yeah, and we'll take you along with us and we'll see what's going on. Day 2, Cancun. Okay, so I'm making breakfast for Jaden. See, I'm making some cream of rice porridge because we can't take any chance with Jaden's allergy and the food in the restaurant, so Jaden's getting special breakfast. Daddy chef on the road. And voila! Look at this. Daddy chef.
Oh, I told you what she did. This was like.
I'm having a good time.
Okay, so we're just back from breakfast and it was good, Mariah. How would you rate it?
I would rate it an 8 out of 10. To make it a 10 out of 10, if they had more gluten-free options and dairy-free options, then maybe a 10 out of 10.
Yeah. You, Jaden, what would you rate Daddy's breakfast? It's gotta be a 10 out of 10, right?
Yeah.
It's gotta be a 10. Yeah, so for me it would be a 7.5 because there was no labeling. We wish that they had labeling so we could know that if there's stuff that Jaden could have had, or if just the allergies, there's some certain stuff that we didn't know what it was. We could identify the scrambled egg. There are 2 different types of scrambled egg. One had pork and one was without pork, but for the most part, a lot of it, we didn't know what it was, if it wasn't French toast or pastries and stuff like that. So for labeling, they would kind of lose some points, but for a basic, a little bit above continental breakfast, I'll give it a 7.5, which is not bad. So yeah, 7.5, not bad. Okay, so the kids are in the pool where this pool is really amazing. It's on top of the roof of the hotel, which gives you a panoramic view, across Cancun. You can see behind me, you can see the nice blue skies, and yeah, kids are having fun. I'm sitting at the pool bar, and it's, as I said, it's an amazing view, and so awesome to be in a tropical place. You see the nice blue skies. You don't get these blue skies in Canada or in America, right? So look at this shot. Isn't this beautiful? Look at the clouds kissing the sky, the blue skies. It's so amazing. And as I said, this pool is on top of the building. I don't think I've ever seen one of these pool settings, like a double pool on top of the building. One thing I realized with this pool also, it comes with a wheelchair accessibility for those who are in a wheelchair. You can just go right there, see that thing, and sit and down in the pool. But my gosh, this is so heavenly. It's almost like heaven on earth. Look at the clouds. And in the nights you get to see all the stars in the skies. When you live in a busy city like New York or Toronto, like you never see a star, but beautiful clouds, and in the night the stars come out at night. You know, in New York it's like the superstars, but in the islands, in the tropic, it's like the real stars. Day 2 in Mexico, and we are on our way to Walmart. In Mexico, we're going to be driving. You know, driving in a foreign country for the very first time where no English is spoken. All the signs are in Spanish. It's going to be interesting. We are finally in Walmart, Mexico. This is so fun, right? You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like a superstore. Like it's super, super, super large. And we are going to do some shopping. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so we're in the middle of Walmart still. It's so interesting because we're trying to find stuff that Jaden can eat, gluten-free, dairy-free, but you know, we're out of the tourist era, so like most people that we encounter don't really speak English, so we're trying to figure out, you know, trying to Google stuff to translate from Spanish to English. So yep, Walmart is huge.
Boring. What about having the pineapple cups, right?
Yeah. KFC is one of the stops that we have to make. Fortunately for us, this KFC is inside the Walmart, so we're going to stop and grab some KFC and take it back to the hotel with us. Like, I'm very excited to try KFC in Mexico.
So guys, we're on our way to eat a Kentucky Fried Chicken. Are you excited, Jaden? Yep. Have your fries? We always finished them like 2 minutes ago. Yeah, but we have more fries, so we're gonna have more fries. So, you excited? Yep.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're having KFC in Mexico for the first time. So Mariah's having the...
I got Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Oh, that's my Mariah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So we have... They call... Oh no, that's Mommy's Mariah.
What?
This. So we have the big box. This is with bones. And Mariah's got the big box filet. And this one is the mega box filet. So what's interesting is that they don't serve these with French fries. French fries is option on the side, but the big box and the mega box comes with mashed potato.
Mashed potatoes?
Yeah.
Wow.
A biscuit.
Biscuits. And the chicken.
And coleslaw.
Coleslaw.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that they said.
And just like in Canada and in the US, you go
Abundant.
to any fast food, you get like look at
Abundance of
ketchup.
ketchup.
Oh, look at that. We need to speak to the manager. You guys are wasting ketchup. Look at that. It's crazy. Okay, so Mariah, are you ready?
Yes. You go first. I always go first.
Okay, so. Wow.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I'll try. Mine's from this one.
Wow.
Mmm.
Yeah.
That's good.
Very good. Wow. Mm.
Wow.
Very, very good. Yeah, so guys, like in Toronto, like I think I've had KFC once or twice. Didn't like it. This is good. This reminds me of like Jamaica KFC. I know right now Trinidad is number 1, Jamaica is number 2. Never had Trinidad KFC before. We're gonna have that pretty soon. But this reminds me of Jamaica. Like look, like see, like the bone is like there's no blood in close where the bone is. It's cooked right through, and it's delicious.
Really good.
KFC Mexico, nice. That's a 10.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so now I'm going to try.
The mashed.
You want to try the mashed potato first?
Sure. It, to me, it kind of looks like an ice cream with
Yeah. Normally I don't do this type of mashed potato because we witness them. It's like a powder. Like they just throw the powder and they mix in the water. The sauce tastes a bit sweet.
To me, this doesn't taste like mashed potatoes.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like mashed potato, but we saw them mixing in the powder, so we know it's not like the real mashed potato. It's like a powder stuff. And now for the coleslaw. It's okay.
Not too bad.
Okay. Not great, but it's okay. So let's go back to the chicken. The chicken is awesome.
I rate the mashed potatoes like a 5. And the coleslaw.
Yeah, the mashed potato coleslaw is not too thing with the chicken.
The chicken's the best.
Biscuit.
Yeah, biscuit. The biscuits is one of my favorite.
Let's see, because Popeyes is catching up with their biscuits, right?
Yeah. It's okay.
It's okay.
I don't really feel that it's like.
It's a bit dry.
Flavor. Yeah, it's a bit dry.
Yeah.
There's no flavor.
Come on, KFC, you need to step up. I think Popeyes biscuit is still better.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's it.
Yeah.
Chicken is awesome. Everything else is
Okay.
okay.
But yeah.
Okay, so today was an adventurous day, right, Mariah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we went on the road. We drove into Mexico, like outside of the tourist area of Cancun for the first time, and we had KFC, and we're gonna rate our KFC experience now. How would you rate it?
So for I'm gonna do it for each item. So for the chicken strips, I would maybe like a 9.5. For the mashed potatoes, like a 4. I didn't really like them that much. And the coleslaw, maybe a 7. For the overall meal, maybe like and the biscuit, maybe 7 out of 10. And for the overall meal, I would say maybe 7 out of 10.
Okay, 7. Well, for me, the chicken was good. Like, as I said, like I know Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica number 1, number 2. I've never had the chicken from Trinidad, but I've had like from Jamaica, and I know like it's really good. You could eat it down to the bone. So this was similar to the Jamaican KFC. It was very good. Like, sometimes different countries you go, like you bite into it and like you can't bite down into where the bone is and everything. So the chicken, I would give the chicken a 10. I would give the coleslaw like a 4. And I would give the biscuit maybe 5. I think, because I've been having KFC for a long time, and I remember when the biscuits were like nice and you break
Buttery.
it buttery and just like almost like this is just so dry. And the mashed potato, the mashed potato would be like a 4. So I think the overall experience, I would say 6.5. And it's sad because the chicken was really good. But what I think, I don't know if all the KFC in Mexico does this, but the meal package comes with the mashed potato instead of fries. And I think they should just get that mashed potato, throw it in the garbage, and replace it with the French fries. Because everywhere you go, you get, chicken, French fries, coleslaw. So I think that because of that, it was very poor. Because if it was French fries, you open the package, there's like chicken, French fries, biscuit, coleslaw. You don't like the coleslaw, you could just throw it away, and you're still left with the French fries. But we had to throw out the mashed potato. The coleslaw wasn't good. So 6.5. Have you ever had KFC in Mexico, in particular Cancun? Tell us your experience. When you went to purchase, was it the same thing? Was it like the chicken, the mashed potato, and the coleslaw? Did they, substitute the fries for mashed potato? Tell us your experience in the comment section, and we'll catch you in another video.
Bye-bye.
Peace out. So the end of day 2 in Mexico. Today was a busy day. The kids, they had a blast going to KFC, going to Walmart, just driving around Cancun, Mexico, and enjoying the beautiful scenery and the weather. So another successful day on the road. Cancun, Mexico, so beautiful.